In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator in Asana. Adding collaborators is one of the simplest ways to make sure the right people are involved in your projects and tasks. When someone is added as a collaborator, they'll receive updates, notifications, and can actively participate in the work you're tracking in Asana. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of inviting people so they can start working with you right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you're on the correct workspace or organization where your project lives. From your main Asana home screen, look towards the top of the interface for a small plus, or add icon. This plus sign is used to add new items or bring new people into your workspace. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click the plus sign, a small menu or drop-down will appear. In that menu, find and select the option labeled Invite. This is the feature Asana provides specifically for bringing new collaborators into your workspace or project. Clicking Invite will open a new window or panel where you can enter the details of the people you want to add. In this invite window, you'll see a field where you can type in email addresses. Click into that field and start entering the email address of the person you want to add as a collaborator. If you're inviting multiple people, you can usually separate each email with a comma or press enter after each one, depending on how Asana is set up in your version. Take a moment to double check the spelling of each email so the invitation goes to the right person. If your team uses business email addresses, make sure you're using those rather than personal ones, especially if your organization settings require it. Some setups may also show you suggestions from people who are already part of your workspace. If you see the person you want in the suggestions list, you can click their name instead of typing out the full email. This can help avoid typos and makes the process a little bit faster. Once you've added all the email addresses for the people you want to invite, look for the Send button in that same window. This button confirms your invitations and sends an email to each person you've listed. Click on Send. After you click Send, Asana will deliver invitations to those email addresses. Your collaborators will receive an email prompting them to join your workspace or project. As soon as they accept, they'll be able to view tasks, receive notifications, and start collaborating with you in Asana.